In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a template in Basecamp. Whether you're looking to streamline your workflow or ensure consistency across projects, creating a template in Basecamp is a great way to start. Let's get right into it. First, you'll want to navigate to Basecamp's official website. Open your web browser and type in basecamp.com. Once there, log into your account if you haven't already. This is your main hub for all project management activities, so make sure you're in the right place. Once you're logged in, the next step is to select the project you want to use as a base for your template. On the Basecamp homepage, you'll see a list of your active projects. Click on the project that you want to convert into a template. This step is crucial because the template will inherit the structure and settings from this project. Now, let's talk about adding tools to enhance your project. Basecamp offers a variety of tools like to-dos, documents, and message boards that you can include in your project. Consider what tools are essential for your team and add them accordingly. This is your chance to customize the project to suit your team's workflow, so take full advantage of it. Once you have customized your project with the necessary tools, it's time to save it as a template. Look to the top right corner of your project page, where you'll find 3 dots. This is the menu for additional options. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select the option that says Save as a Project Template. This will begin the process of transforming your current project into a reusable template. It's a straightforward step, but pivotal in ensuring you capture the project's structure and tools. After selecting to save as a template, you'll be prompted to enter a name and description for your new template. Choose a name that clearly identifies the purpose of the template and a description that provides context for its use. This will help you and your team members easily recognize and apply the template in future projects. Now, you have the option to enable certain features. You can choose to include the people currently assigned to the project, any comments that have been made, and whether to remember client visibility settings. These options allow you to tailor the template precisely to your needs. For instance, including people can be useful if the same team will work on future projects. Finally, after you've configured all these settings, click on Create Template. This finalizes the process, and your template will be saved for future use. You can now apply this template to new projects, ensuring consistency and saving time in your project setup phase. And there you have it. You've just learned how to create a template in Basecamp, making your project management process more efficient. Templates are a powerful tool for standardizing processes and simplifying project setup. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Happy templating!